Okay, we're going to be completing the square. This is the equation we're going to complete the square on, which means this portion of it has to be a perfect square. In order for it to be a perfect square, the two numbers added together that equal 5 are going to be multiplied times each other to get the third term. And this is going to be 2.5 times plus 2.5 is 5, and 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. But I'm going to leave it as fractions instead of the 2.5, so we have 5 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 2 gives me 25 over 4. Now we take this and we add it to both sides. Now this is a perfect square, this one right here, and it's equal to 12 plus 25 divided by 4. Next thing we want to do is combine the two over here and give them a common denominator. To do that, you have to multiply the 4 times the 12 to get 48 over 4. This stays the same. These added together become 73 over 4. And this is a perfect square, but we want to find the square root. This is the 5 over 2. That's where you get this. So we have x plus 5 over 2, which is the square root of that. And now we want the square root of this, which is going to be plus or minus because it's the square root of this whole thing. Solving for x, we bring this over here. We subtract 5 over 2 from both sides. Isolate your x. And what I've done here is I want to give them a common denominator. To do that, I can find the square root of 4, which is 2, but there is no even square root of 73, so we leave it under the bracket. And now we can combine this for our answer. We have x equals negative 5 plus square root of 73 all over 2, since they're a common denominator, right? Or we have x is equal to negative 5. We did plus, now we're going to do minus the square root of 73 all over 2. That's how we get our answers, and that is OR.